The PiNetwork team has officially stated that the open Mainnet launch is targeted for the first quarter of 2025. This timeline was shared in their latest update, where they explained that the primary reasons for this schedule are 1. Completion of KYC, Know Your Customer. The team aims to allow more pioneers to complete the KYC process, which is critical for verifying user identities and ensuring a secure and inclusive network. KYC has been a bottleneck for many users, and additional time ensures wider participation. Second, migration to Mainnet. They want to ensure a significant portion of the user base has successfully migrated their balances to the Mainnet before fully opening the network. This migration requires users to complete KYC and link their accounts to the Mainnet wallet. 3. Network stability and scalability. Additional time allows the team to refine the network, improve scalability, and enhance security features. The open Mainnet phase requires readiness for global use without the restrictions currently in place. Fourth, community inclusivity. The PiNetwork emphasizes the importance of being inclusive and providing fair access to all pioneers globally. Extending the timeline ensures no one is left behind during the transition. What is PiNetwork? PiNetwork is an innovative crypto project that aims to make crypto mining accessible to everyone with a smartphone. Unlike traditional cryptos like Bitcoin or Ethereum, it utilizes mobile mining, allowing users to mine Pi coins directly from their mobile devices without draining the battery or consuming excessive data. Unique consensus algorithm. To ensure the security and integrity of the network, PiNetwork employs the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP. This consensus algorithm allows users to mine Pi and verify transactions within the network, ensuring a secure and trustworthy system. Commitment to decentralization. PiNetwork is dedicated to decentralization, meaning no single entity has complete control over the network. This commitment aligns with the fundamental principles of cryptos, promoting a transparent, trustless, and borderless financial system. User-friendly approach. One of PiNetwork's distinguishing features is its user-friendly approach. The platform is designed for mass adoption, making it accessible to individuals with limited technical knowledge. This inclusivity makes PiNetwork an ideal entry point for newcomers to crypto assets. Development phases and Mainnet launch. PiNetwork's development has progressed through several phases, starting with an invitation-only design and distribution phase, followed by a testnet phase for mining and troubleshooting. The anticipated Phase 4, the Mainnet launch, will transition Pi coins from testnet tokens to real-world assets, allowing users to transfer and trade them. Testnet 2, rollout, the introduction of PiNetwork. Testnet 2 marks a significant step in PiNetwork's development, designed to enhance testing capabilities and prepare node operators for the transition to the mainnet. This updated testnet allows for seamless switching between testnet and mainnet, optimizing functionality and performance while reducing transaction fees, making it a crucial phase before the mainnet launch. New PiNetwork node. Released. PiNetwork has launched PiNode v0.50, preparing its nodes for the upcoming mainnet launch by transitioning to testnet 2. This update enhances the network's security and decentralization while moving closer to enabling PiCoin's utility. The project focuses on completing KYC verification and increasing decentralized applications before the anticipated 2025 mainnet release. Future developments and price predictions. As the PiNetwork approaches its mainnet launch, there is significant interest in the future price of Pi coins. While price predictions generate excitement, the volatile nature of crypto markets requires caution. The PiNetwork team continues to improve the platform, with future developments and updates expected to enhance the network's functionality and user experience. This includes optimizing the transition to the mainnet and ensuring that all participants are well prepared for this pivotal moment in the network's journey.